To add a product in LilYPad, first create a sale tab as you see here. So go to the admin tab on the main menu and select sale tabs. Now create a sale tab name. For this we'll go with beverages. And here you can select whether or not a customer needs to be added to the sale for the sale tab to appear. This is good in case you want to keep track of the sale items and who buys them. And then select a weight. This will determine the position, as you can see here. Now go to product types and create a product type name. As you can see here, there are already a few product types under beverages. So we'll just call this one fountain drinks. And now select the tab that it will appear under and the color of the button, and then select the weight. If you scroll down to the list of product types, you can see that the new product type has been added. Now create the actual product. So for this we're just going to be creating a small drink. Excluding the cost, the fields that I don't fill out are optional. Now place the new product inside your new product type and then select the weight. And in this field, the wholesale cost, and then the price you charge to customers, and then whether or not it has sales tax. Use these quantity fields to keep track of your inventory as well as your suppliers. Now add the product. Now if you scroll down to the list of products, you can find your new product. Now scroll back up and go back to the sale tab to check your new product. You can see now that the new sale tab has been added, and you can see the small drink is there as well. Now if you select the small drink, you can see that the price is there and the tax as well. And you can see that there are several other products and product types under beverages.